Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows on your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop. First, you have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select Windows Update on the sidebar and then click Check for updates if you don't have any updates prepared. If you have some updates prepared, then click Download and Install. Wait for your computer to check for available updates. Besides, you can also go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and here you have you'll see Windows updates, and which are mostly optional, and also the driver updates, which I recommend installing on your computer by hitting the checkbox next to an update and clicking Download and Install. Okay, and once your Windows finds an available update, it will start downloading and installing it on your computer. As you can see, the installation is completed. Some updates will also require you to restart your computer. In such case, you'll be notified about it in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you leave this menu, then you will also see the restart button right here, so you can restart your computer at any time, and then once your laptop is restarted, all the changes will be applied. And yeah, one important note is that I had to mention at the very beginning of this video. Of course, your device has to be connected to the internet for this operation to be to complete. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.